Good morning all. Just coming to have a look at a alarm system that's been going off on Tampa. It's one I came out to a few weeks ago. Let's have a look, 2 months ago. Serviced it because it's been going off and it's been okay ever since, but it started going off again. I think there's an intermittent tamper, possibly on the bell, not too sure. What I'm going to do is just turn the camera and just show you what I'm going to do, and see how I progress from there. Sorry about the fingers. So it's a CK700L. What I'm going to do is label all these zones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, label them, and then we'll take it from there. Right. So I'll start it off from this end, label them up, etc. 6 down to number 1. I've split number 1 because that's, it's got 2 devices on it. So there's the first one, number 1, and there's the second one. They both go up into the zone. So there's the control panel, a load of joints there, probably tampers, zones all marked out. So when they come out, I know where they come from. The only ones I need to know is these over here for the bell, which I've marked up. Tamper return, signal negative, negative, positive, and there'll be a strobe negative. Here, the speaker, that's self-explanatory. Bottom neck, and we got something else on DC here. Oh, that's going to be the keypad. Okay, so let's keep it, and I'll take power off here as well. Anyway, got to crack on. Right, let's get it in focus. Really tight. I'm going to take these out, tie them off, etc. Right, as you can see, I've cracked on a bit, I've just pulled it off. It is dead and it has been tested, but I've just put these on. I don't know if it's an RCD that's on the circuit, but I've tested it my side. I don't want any of them touching the panel at all. Right. There's the cables that are pulled out, etc. Right, I've numbered them up here because I'm going to shorten them. I've used the existing old panel screw holes here, because directly, this is a dabbed wall and I can't get a reading, and there's a radiator underneath, and I would presume that the radiator is coming up. I know the presumption is the mother of all cock-ups, but I'm just going to not risk it. I'm going to use the existing holes, put new plugs in, put a washer on that. Can't get a washer on there. Let's get that in focus for you. Can't get a washer on there, it's too close. I would have done if I could. I'll put the mains in, that's in, etc. And what I'm going to do is start to dress these cables. Let's get it in focus for you all. Right, so there's nowhere for me to put my camera. I'm just high up in a washroom, etc. Standing on the ladders. Anyway, that's me. Right, I've stripped those down. I still label this end. So I'll be cutting them off, putting the excess up behind the panel, cutting those off, etc. But now for the keypad. There's the old 800L keypad. I'm going to have to do this one-handed because I'm holding the camera in the other. I don't know how the YouTubers get on, but maybe they might have some sort of harness on the chest, I don't know, or on the head. I don't know. I'll find the hole then. And then it's down off in the box. Right. So let's get this keypad off. Everywhere there's a control panel, there's a flaming radiator underneath it. Anyway, you've seen enough of me screwing. I'm going to set the other one off and just start the video when I come to connect up. Right, that's the keypad. And by the way, that's the Klein digital meter, digital bubble. Anyway, must crack on, get the keypad wired, and I'm back. Right, as you can see, I've dressed those now. These are not going to be used. Keypad clips on, etc. Just need to wire it, and I need to put the camera down for this. And I'm back again. So, those are all wired in. Not going to bother addressing the keypad. This is difficult left-handed. So, this clips on, holds the keypad in situ. Now, I definitely can't do this left-handed, so you're going to have to wait. Right, that's in place now. That's it. Right, panels in situ. Just going to start wiring it. There's it goes. Put the comms mod up here. Okay, so I'll be doing that next. Okay, and then dress those, put those in, etc. Right, first things first. There's a buzz wire. So that goes to the keypad, which, if you remember, we're only using 4 cores now, not 6. So that's in. There's the fuse. Still got it out. I'm going to power the fuse up. Everything's connected. Apart from the bell, I want to see if the panel works first. Okay, so I'm doing. It's very compact now. Right. One keypad is suggested number 4. Okay. Working system. Oh, I don't know if you can get it in focus here. Here's the belt wire, and what I've done is transferred all them numbers up the cable from down the bottom where they were That's giving me a focus for you. Right. So what I'm going to do is cut them off one by one and put them into there. Right. There's the belly. All those to go. Turn that round. Right. All wired. I just done that a connection there because that's the temper that I've shared up on zone 1 and zone 2. So it had 6 zones to start off with. So I put them individually into the 6 zones of the control panel. I've got 6 tampers. So I'll put tamper number 1 and 2 on the auxiliary and put tamper number 3, 4, 5, 6 on these spare zones. I'm going to program those up as tampers. So if there's ever a tamper on those, you can actually go to the zone and change out the detector or whatever you've got to do. Okay, back to my face. Nice and neat. Not doing any extra holes. Just got to clean that up a bit, I think.